Okay, you know at this point how it usually goes, but this time I will be right because it's an Applejack episode and there is no way that they wrote a good... What is that? I'm not in Mexico and it's not September 19th, so...
Rather see.
It's an OC stampede, run before you turn into one of them!
La 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 la. The Kirin used to speak and sing, we weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes, most stand-up was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers...
Applejack has always been the low end, or even called by many as a background pony. Not only because most of her recent episodes have put her in a really bad place, where she's either overprotective, too honest, not too honest, or just not developed. I gotta say that I love how this episode starts as any other Kirin map request does. But sending Applejack and Fluttershy to it already tells us this can go two ways. Either the episode is just a mess of Applejack going all over protective over Fluttershy, or she goes full on honesty. As they arrive, though, we find a nice and warm welcome. Well, that's not my definition of warm and nice welcome, but in an Uncharted a Thief Sent territory, I'll take it. Not only is this episode perfectly reflecting the best of both ponies, Fluttershy saving and helping animals, and Applejack just going through dangers and mountains. Thankfully, one stops the other, and vice versa, and they find the Kirin through a secret entrance that apparently they don't even know existed. I know, their designs are amazing. Not only are they half dragon and half magic like unicorns, but they have an alternate form. Going with the Asian culture that they come from, please don't kill me if I was wrong, they transform into Nyrics, both being the good and bad of themselves. This is pretty clear in the Shield Twilight shows. Well, they're not speaking at all. So after being brave enough to find a talking Kirin, we get with the, if not the most important characters in this episode, and the reason you see a ton of Kirin OCs, Autumn Blaze.
Gotcha! Sorry, but that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Perhaps you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
Oh yeah, she speaks, and quite a lot. Not only does she speak and she got some friends because it is proven that without social interactions you can actually go insane, but she also...
I'd rather see.
Oh yeah, MLP at its finest. Even a friend of mine, Alex the Black Fox of Gaming, who's not an MLP fan at all, liked this episode, and it's basically his first episode ever seen. The detail to the song, the tune, the letter, it all goes in perfect harmony, even when you think she may have gone out of rhythm. It has such a nice message, and it shows her struggle to show her kind that you can't let go of happiness just because you're afraid of being hurt. Something the Kirin haven't learned, and when seeing Fluttershy and AJ arguing...
One of us. One of us.
Yeah, they have such a problem with arguments or disagreements that they silence themselves, but seal their emotions with it. Perfect example of what some people do by not showing any emotions, but they give away happiness. But fear not! Autumn Blaze is here again to steal protagonism. She then realizes along with the Kirin that they can actually control their emotions and even use them for good things. Even if...
Furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
Yeah, good thing she was behind a rock or this could have happened. So the episode ends with a good tone, it all gets solved naturally, and we hear a reprise of Autumn's song. One of the best songs in all My Little Pony, and thanks to its character development, song, story, and pacing, it gets my rating of full moon. A perfect example of what writers can do with the main 6 and some actual new ideas, as well as new characters to bring to the table. I hope they can be shown more in season 9, but for now this will have to suffice. So what did you think about the episode? Want to see more of the Kirin and Autumn? Let me know down below. I'm MoonKnight, and I'll see you all in the next... the next one is... Are you kidding me, Hasbro, you mother...
This is the time.